magandang buhay! Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Live na live, I'd like to introduce my friend here in Residencia. What's your name? June Galyeban. Please look for me on Facebook, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, YouTube, my channel. So everyday ka ba din magtuloy? Every
Martes o Merkulis.
Martes o Merkulis yung schedule. Residencia, asa ka pa nga subdivision?
Highlands.
Samantha.
Manta.
O Granville. Lang, Residencia lang. Okay. Bawal. Okay, Residencia, manasay fruits.
Sa side bitaw tulay.
Kanang mga duol lang sa subdivision. So mauni iyang baligya na pineapple, nagpalit na ko 25 pesos. Pila ni June na ako itaw nimo?
85.
85 og nagpalit pug ko kani yellow nga kamote 60. Kini how much?
35
saging sab aber. Pero gusto na ko katong dako ayaw pud perti ka dako. Kini santol pila man? 35 kani
30 o 35.
30 o 35.
Depende lang sa kuan.
Okay, saging. As antol ni.
Santola.
Okay, so
urot ng mangga gani ha.
Urot ng mangga ni mo tagpila man.
Ang mangga 160.
160 ang kilo. Okay.
Avocado
100. So let's help our small business people here in Davao. So thank you, Sir Juan. Please look for me on Facebook. So this is it. Antabayan nyo siya dito Tuesday at Thursday.
Wednesday or Tuesday.
Wednesday or Thursday. Merkulis or Thursday. You are in the subdivision. So what are you waiting for? Buy now. Buy now for your fruits. Healthy for the body. Thank you for joining me now. I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon.
Okay.
So this is my okay lang. Salamat. Share moment of my life update here in Residencia del Rey. Thank you for joining me today on Saturday. It's really a nice, a beautiful day for today. Wonderful day. My Residencia moments, enjoying my life now as orchestrated by God. This is it, my life in Davao. So, just sharing you my moments now. Live and alive, I'm here in Talobo District, Davao City, Catalunan, Pequeño, in a subdivision by the river. Thank you everyone for watching my channel and Mabuhay channel. Following me also on my Facebook Reels, my Facebook account, and my Facebook page. Mabuhayers ka mabuhay. Thank you so much for joining me on my everyday vlogs and shared moments. Mabuhay, magandang buhay. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, retired teacher, live and alive update here in Davao City. Thank you everyone. Thank you mabuhay. Thank you mabuhayers. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Long live, good person, good life. Thank you mabuhayers. Until my next vlog, signing off. Your vlogger of the century, Selfie Queen, Mama Buhay. And of course, Mom Darna. I'm Mom Darna. Mabuhay!